The newly elected ministers attended an iftar dinner in Islamabad hosted by the Federation of Chambers of Commerce. Our correspondent Anam Abbasi spoke with the ministers and the organizers. Let's take a look.
A ceremony was organized in Islamabad by the Federation of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and Industry to congratulate and welcome the newly elected ministers. The president of FPCCI, Atif Ikram Sheikh, welcomed the newly elected ministers.
Many opportunities which Federation is giving to the people, to the young generation, and especially the economy. Economy is day by day getting better. Things are getting better and better. And by the end of this like physical year, like June, you'll see many changes.
I'd like to congratulate the newly elected people that have taken up the cabinet, Hanif Saab, Tariq Saab. The best thing about them is they're very well connected to the society in itself, and we hope with Akil as well. Akil's a dear friend. All these people, connecting with everyone, it helps them ensure the needs of the youth.
The ceremony was attended by various business leaders and diplomats from all across the country who expressed their support for the joint collaborations between the government and the commerce industry. Speaking to PTV World, the newly elected minister Tariq Fazal Chaudhry expressed his commitment to provide more business opportunities for the youth.
I'm so delighted to say that our current government in the captaincy of the Prime Minister Mian Shahbaz Sharif Saab is fully determined to tackle all the challenges which the country is facing. The first of all was the economic challenge, and you have seen that all the economic indicators, they are showing up that the country is moving in the right direction.
FPCCI aims to devise a charter of economy to address the country's economic challenges. The Chamber of Commerce and Industry in Pakistan plays a vital role in promoting and developing the country's business sector. The Chamber works to promote trade and commerce in Pakistan both domestically and internationally.
Today we had organized this event to welcome the new federal ministers who have been given new portfolios, and we wanted to connect them with the business community. We thought that once they are together, there is a possibility that we could engage them in different collaborative activities, private-public partnership.
The event brought together a distinguished gathering of newly elected federal ministers, diplomats, dignitaries, journalists and senior civil and political officials. Today's event highlighted about the collaboration between the Chamber of Commerce and the government bodies so that they can come together and work for the prosperity and growth of the business communities in Pakistan. Reporting for PTV World, this is Anam Abbasi.